Hey guys, my name is Mark Roden. Welcome back to the channel. That's if you've been here before. If you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel. We do car videos, so subscribe down below. But that's actually the point of this video, is to thank you guys that we hit 1,000 subscribers. We hit it just the other day. I think it was 2 days ago, January 3rd. And it blew my mind. I woke up in the morning and I saw that I had 1,000 and couldn't stop looking at it. That's crazy. 1,000 subscribers. It has a little K next to it. Isn't that awesome? Most of you guys are from SmoothStance, so if you are, hello. Also, a big thank you to you, because not only are you supporting me on YouTube, but you're also supporting me on Instagram. And Instagram is mainly my main stomping grounds. I just kind of started YouTube. Actually, I think I started YouTube in either June or July of 2020. And it's only January of 2021, and we're already at 1,000. So that's either 6 or 5 months. I'm not sure exactly how many, but it's either 6 or 5 months that it's been up, and we're already at 1,000. And not only just 1,000, we're actually at 1,100 now. So if you're from SmoothStance, thank you. If you're not from SmoothStance, still thank you, but please go follow SmoothStance. We post pictures of cool cars over there. You guys should really check it out. It's really cool. But just so you guys know, that just motivates me even more. I have another video coming out either tomorrow or the next day. Top 10 supercars. But I have a new video coming out either tomorrow or the next day. And all that 1,000 subscribers made me do is be like, wow, I can actually, you know, do something here. I'm actually entertaining people. So now I'm going to be trying to pump out as many videos as I can to you guys, but they're still going to be just as good quality as before. I'm still trying to look for a car to start modifying for the channel, to start doing vlogs and stuff like that. That will happen one day, but for right now, most likely sticking to the top 10s. I'm also going to try to get into cinematics, like, you know, filming people's cars and stuff like that. So I really want that, but that I'll talk about like what the plans are for the channel in a different video. This video is mainly supposed to be just the biggest thank you. It blows my mind. It blows my mind that we have 35,000 on Instagram and now we have 1,000 on YouTube. That's crazy to me. I love you guys. I love each and every one of you guys so very much. I wish I could give you all a hug, but unfortunately, due to coronavirus, I can't. But when this coronavirus is over, I'll come to wherever you're living. I'll give you a big hug. Thank you so much, guys. And with that being said, das vidania. Have a nice day.